Hey guys, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. Happy Tuesday. It's Customer Appreciation Day. I'm in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. I get 25% off when I spend $25 or more. Let's find some fun summer stuff. Let the mouth fill. So I didn't know until I checked out that they changed the customer appreciation. They decided the day before on the fly to do something like buy 3 pieces of clothing, get 3 pieces free. So it was already a really slow thrifting day for me, but then I found out that I wasn't getting 25% off when I checked out, and I was kind of sad, but you know what? There's worse things in life, but I'm still miffed. Those 2 fall pictures of the trees were like $3.50 each. So those were a great deal no matter what, and I'll put them away till later this year. This was cute, but at $10 too high for resale, so if I get it when it's half off, we may see it again. These guys are super cute as is, but I'm painting them white and taking them to Lavender Fest. I bought a bunch of birds from a wholesale site, and they were white carved birds and they sold well, so I figured why not make my own? This sweet little candlestick got a new paint job. I made it white swan. I distressed it, and then I added sprigs of lavender and a taper, and it is going to the park with me next week too. I can't wait. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing about Lavender Fest, but it is my biggest outside event of the year, probably my only outside event of the year, and I'm a co-sponsor. So if you're local, the weather's supposed to be great. Come on out. There's 140 different vendors, plus food trucks, 6 lavender farms. My friend Layla does an amazing job at this, and this pig is pretty cute. I love finding cute piggy banks for kids to put in my kid area. Every kid should have a piggy bank. And this one's not a piggy bank, but every grown-up should have a cute pig too. So it was a day of piggy banks. This one was 99 cents and it's a shark. Even had the stopper, which they usually don't. If you can't come to the festival, Lavender Days is the 15th through the 19th. We'll have make and takes and have different lavender things in the shop, so check that out too. When's the last time I've had a video you've seen pickings this slow for me? I did grab this cute little picture. Somebody online probably will want it. I don't buy a lot of chicken rooster stuff, but it's pretty cute. Now is the time to tell you that you can buy this stuff on rusticrehabs.com. This one I added some clay and salt wash to. I'm hoping to give you a little video of it, or at least a before and after, to show you how cool it looks. But first I have to finish it. Now this is cute. It's in our jewelry area and I love it. Did you notice that? I passed up a jewelry box. I have so many to finish. I will leave them for somebody else for a while. I probably would have got this if it were a pair of these candlesticks, but for one, I have a lot of singles already. Cute bank, but it was a little bit chipped on the top, so I left it. And this was a cute candlestick, but same thing. I have lots of singles. I had an idea of what to do with that taper one. A couple of vases and a little bookcase thing, and I am done. I was so bummed I didn't even get a picture of my cart. I spent 40 some dollars, and I'll leave you with some pictures of cute lavender things that are headed to the park. I hope to see you soon. You can always shop my website, come on in for paint, and here's Layla and me. She's my Lavender Fest sponsor, co-sponsor, and one of my BFFs. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next time.